In this video, I'm going to show you how to favorite items in Grow a Garden in Roblox. So it's actually quite simple. The first thing you want to do is actually toggle your backpack, and if you don't know how to do this, it's this icon up here. So top left, it says toggle the backpack. You want to open that, click on that, and there we go, your backpack is now pulled up. Now from here, you simply want to move something into your backpack. So I only have the shovel now. For example, I'm gonna just put that in here, there we go. And if you would like to favorite this, all you have to do is just right click the item, and as you can see, it will get a little heart over here. And if I now close the backpack and open it up again, the heart remains there. And what favoriting items actually does is whenever you go to shop, so whenever you try to sell something over here, and if you try to sell your entire inventory, what's gonna happen is that the items that you have favorited with this heart over here will not sell, and they will remain in your inventory. So that's pretty much all you need to know. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.